I can see clearly now. I think the rain is gone.
Hot damn, hot water, hot shower. Hot Atlanta smoking green cauliflower. Tangerine, yeah, I call it sweet and sour. And my lawyer say it's urgent, I'ma call him in an hour.
What's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Yoyo back again with another video, and today I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I did my vision board and just showing you guys what is on it, as well as setting my business goals for 2020, because you know 2020 vision. Okay, we see clearly now. I love how my hair turned out today. Oh, drip check. I got on my troublemaker lashes with my, what's that bitch called, with Brett. Okay, so my vision board is up on my wall. I actually did it like a week or two ago. I'm looking down because I have the pictures on my phone because I wasn't trying, like, it was very hard for me to record over there where my wall is at. Vision boards is kind of like a good way for you to visualize what you want to become. Obviously you got to work on it. You can't just sit on your couch and not do nothing and expect it to happen, but it's good to visualize it, to manifest things. The more you see it, the more like things will really like come true because you're surrounded by it. Some of these pictures, it's not me idolizing the females in the picture and nothing like that, because I don't idolize nobody. I'ma just put that out there. I don't have like a idol, nothing like that, but I admire work ethic of some of these females slash inspiration from what they do. Basically, you go on Pinterest, you type in whatever you visualize yourself to be at or what you want and stuff like that. You click download or save to your computer, and then you go to CVS, upload it to CVS. It's literally the cheapest way to buy photos. There might be cheaper ways to buy photos, but or you could just print them on your computer. That altogether came out to be like $5. So this is my girl Jada, always popping, boss ass bitch. She got her shopping bags, you feel me? She got her hair slayed, she got her makeup did. Okay, she just look like a boss. And you know, I'm trying to be a boss, you feel me? I'm trying to look cute, I'm trying to be a bad bitch like her, okay? Bringing more like shopping and bad bitch energy into my life. This is Missy Elliott, looking all fine with her fur. Oh, we even got the same Amazon. Well, you look at that. If y'all don't know, I have music releasing the end of the month, well, middle of the month. Finally, after a long time of me going in the booth, whatever. Really admire her work ethic, her creativity, how much she has done for this generation through her music. So yeah, she's just cool inspiration. This is my bitch Kennedy Simone. Boss, you see all of those orders that she's making? That's how I'm trying to be. Okay, I'm trying to be shipping out all of these. I'm trying to be shipping out all of these orders too, honey boo boo. Yes, she got like 100,000 of them. So then this one, I did a mixture of pictures and quotes. I didn't cut anything out or do nothing like that. That's why I'm just showing you pictures. I literally just printed out these pictures that I found on Pinterest. This one, it says, "It's already yours, universe." Like the universe is telling you, girl, it is already yours. You just gotta go. You just gotta go grab it. You gotta pick it up. Like, you feel me? It's already yours. This is lip glosses, I believe. I believe it's just lip glosses in the containers. So it was so cute, and it followed the theme or whatever. YouTube, some of the Pinterest didn't have that many nice pictures of like YouTube and growth or whatever. And I didn't want to do no cutting out. I wanted to look very clean on my wall because I wanted some wall art. So I downloaded this one. I got this one because it's just YouTube, like, and that is kind of just enough said. Like, I want to grow on YouTube. I just want to travel a lot. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to travel that much this year, but I'm definitely going to travel a lot more than last year when I traveled at all. Going to Miami, so I'm going to get on a plane for that, and I'm also going back home to Dominican Republic, so I'm also going to be taking a plane to that. So okay, this one, I had to bring back the study vibes. It was hard to find a picture. Like, I wanted good grades, but all the A+s were a little corny. She got all her stuff color coordinated. She got the tea, you feel me? Lip glosses. This is already manifesting itself because I've already made so many lip glosses. They're so beautiful. It is so fun to make it. Cardi B. Okay. So she was on Billboard. She was on a cover. She was stunting, flexing, dripped out, money. Visualize that. I'm trying to be like that, you feel me? I'm trying to be on the cover. I'm trying to be the header. Money. Enough said. Of course I gotta put it next to Cardi, you know, because I'm a cliche. I'm a corny bitch. Lashes. I still lashes on my site. Lil Kim, the queen bee, okay? Trying to strive to be, you know, a trendsetter like her. This one is the beach. I love the beach. My safe spot, my favorite spot to relax. Money is flowing to me from both expected and unexpected sources. Miami, I miss you. I'm trying to go back. I went to Miami last year, but I didn't go for spring break. I just went on like a little business trip or whatever. But this year we going to Miami, so I'm trying to visualize that because last year just didn't work out at all and that can't happen again. I released All Fear and Welcome Change, pretty self-explanatory. Even more lip glosses, a whole cart full of orders being shipped out. That's my girl too, always popping, always slaying. More lashes. I'm doing what I love and earning lots of money doing it. The worst thing in the world is making money in a place where you don't like to be at. And then finally, my girl Sweetie, AC. She's just popping. She's the boss. I'm trying to be in the studio. That's literally the only reason, because I was trying to find a girl in the studio and I couldn't find a girl picture. But girl is slaying. She looking cute. She in the studio. She's about to record. She's about to do her thing. And that's what I'm trying to be in the studio like every freaking month, okay? So yeah, that is basically my whole vision board, and now I'm going to be doing my business goals. It's called Trello. It helps me so much. I'm gonna show you guys a filled up board. Here I have all of my like YouTube stuff, and you could like organize it. I'll be like titling my stuff, putting exactly what I need to record in every video so I don't forget, and it's organized and all that. So we're gonna add a new board. We're gonna name it Savage 42 Goals. And the star, visibility, private, background. I'll just use this one. So then you have your board, and then you can add different lists and stuff like that. So I'm gonna add a list. I'm gonna name this January Goals Launch. Add. So now I'm gonna add a cart. I want to ship out timely and efficient. I want to bring up my Instagram engagement. Like, I want somebody that actually, like, people actually follow them and care about what they're doing and stuff like that. So yeah, to me it's not about money, but make enough to restock for February and new items. I want to buy new lashes, and I want to be able to restock the ones that I had. So I want to be able to make enough money in the first month to be able to afford to do that. These look about right, and I want to be really realistic about everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm launching in 2 days. My website link will be down in the bio. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'm gonna see y'all later. Gang, 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 pow.